Now, we arrive at the moment of formal commencement, the official opening of our school's Silver Jubilee year. We humbly request our esteemed Chief Guest, Admiral Tindon, and distinguished guest of honor, Dr. Shalabh Agrawal, the respected members of the School Management Committee, Chairman Sir, and our Reverend Principal Sir to grace the stage.
Not just the beginning of a ceremony, but the start of a glorious year of celebration. May we request the dignitaries to kindly unveil the curtains, a symbol of valor, pride, prosperity, and the glorious legacy of 25 remarkable years. With this gesture, we formally commence our Silver Jubilee celebration and mark the beginning of this grand milestone.
What an auspicious start to a Silver Jubilee year. Thank you, honorable dignitaries. Now, it's time for the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. The ceremonial light of the lamp represents the triumph of light over darkness and knowledge over ignorance. We request our Reverend Chief Guest, Admiral Tindon, Guest of Honor, Dr. Shalabh Agrawal, and our respected Principal Sir to remain on stage and illuminate the lamps.
Art is a silent language that speaks volumes. Our students have poured their hearts and skill into capturing the essence of our honored guest. We are proud to present magnificent hand-drawn sketches of our chief guest and guest of honor created by the talented hands of our very own students. We request Principal Sir to present these beautiful sketches to our chief guest and guest of honor.
These intricate portraits are a testament to the artistic talented nurtured in our school. We would like to take a moment to acknowledge the dedication of the students who created this remarkable artwork.
Please join us in giving a huge round of applause to the young artists Akshit Rawat and Prarthana Arya. We proudly acknowledge their effort and request them to please come up on the stage. Thank you, young artists, for sharing your talent with us. We now humbly request our esteemed chief guest, guest of honor, chairman sir, and all respected members of the school management committee to kindly return to their reserved seats as we move forward with the next segment of our program.
Government of India a recognition given only to the most promising and exceptional young talents of the country.
He has graced major platforms, delivering mesmerizing performances in cities like Lucknow, Varanasi, Agra, Delhi, and Bangalore. Please lend your ears and join me in welcoming to the stage our extraordinary talent, Harshit, as he presents a captivating performance on the sitar.
वाली तुमने वो कॉपी कर ली थी धारी वाली पूछो पूछो मुझे ना पता पूछो तुम्हें इसे पता है यार ये बात पूछो काल से
balance and maturity in your rendition reflects not just skill but a deep-rooted connection with classical music. Harshit, performances like yours remind us that art is timeless and talent, when nurtured with sincerity, becomes brilliance. You have set a remarkable standard on the stage today, and we applaud your hard work, passion and excellence.
The essence of an institution is not just in its buildings, but in its achievements, the challenges it overcomes, and its future roadmap. It is now time to reflect one of the milestones we have achieved this past year and appreciate the trajectory of our growth.
I invite our beacon of leadership, the respected principal sir who has guided this institution with vision and unwavering commitment to present the annual report charting our journey of academic and co-curricular achievements.
I, on my behalf, on behalf of the Board of Management, our Lakes fraternity, welcome our esteemed Chief Guest, Admiral Tandon, retired, ABSM, EBSM, and recently did his PhD in Social Sciences. And today's functions, guest of honor, our first batch alumni, Dr. Shalabh Agrawal, who has done MBBS from Manipal University, MS from Jabalpur, and worked in Max Ghaziabad, and presently he is associated as a senior consultant in Kailas Hospital, which is one of the renowned hospital of Dehradun, and has his specialization in urology and kidney transplant. And my colleagues, principal, those who have come from the different schools, guests, my dear parents, and my lovely pass out children, as well as the children studying presently in the school. We started under the banner of Current Education and Social Welfare Society, its educational institution, on May 1st, 2001. And it had been like giving a growth to a newly born child and then taking care of him, bringing him to the adolescence age. We all together under the banner of Current Educational Social Welfare Society and with the team of my management, and I take this opportunity that the teachers, those who have started the things with me in 2001, 80% of my teacher as well as my supporting staff is still grooming and bringing this school to this level. But on the other hand, during these 25 years, we lost 3 of our major pillars of this institution. Firstly, our fatherly figure, patron, Mr. K.S. Chauhan. Then our younger brother, Mr. Arjun Singh, and my beloved wife, Sandhya Negi. We all are missing you all. And it was all your effort, support that had bring, and your blessing have brought us to today's level. So I, on behalf of the Board of Management, feels our heartfelt condolences to all the 3 of our heart-touching members of this management committee. And we pray to Almighty keep their departed soul rest in peace. And in my teaching career, like this, I have completed 42 years and I'm entering into 43rd year. And all these years I have spent with the youngsters in Lawrence Kusanar, Birla Vidya Mandir, and Oxford Academy. And since 2001, I have been spending my most of the time with my loving children. Then gives me an immense pleasure when the children whom we habit in the school, and when they work hard, they follow the instructions, guidance of the total of team staff of the Lakes International, and that is the result that the children have been excelling in almost all the walks of the life. And the presently, the example is sitting on the front row as the guest of honor, Dr. Salab Agrawal. Basically, our school, like it is very common among the boarding schools, like we give the focus on the all-round development of the child. But here, along with that, we always focus to make a child a good human being, and we make him understand, to realize the importance and the responsibility which he has to render towards his parents, towards the society, and towards the country. We have lot of activities which we do it very frequently in the school, which are very common in almost all the schools. But I would definitely bring it to your knowledge that we every year conduct the inter-house cultural competition, and we have 4 senior houses, 4 junior houses, and we have this inter-house culture competition at the junior level as well as the senior level, and each house has to perform for 1.5 hours to 2 hours the items which we assign them. My main motto is, and which is required these days with the children, bringing them on the stage, then they should overcome with a fear for facing the audience, and then must have the confidence to face the challenges in their life. And another thing is, we always try to have the maximum number of children participation in these competitions. This year, our Shivalik House had been the winner in the senior section, and Nilgiri House was the winner in the junior section. And then just a couple of weeks back, we have also conducted the inter-house athletics meet. Again, it's in the junior, in the senior level, and in the senior section. Saurav Singh had become the athletic champion from the boys side, and Pallavi Chauhan became the athletic champions from the girls side. Similarly, in the junior section, Sanjeev Chaudhary was the athletic champion from the boys side, and Kavya Sanwal had been the athletic champion from the girls side. And we, our children, have been participating in games and sports and other curricular and extracurricular activities within the school and outside the school. And all the children, they have been doing very well and have been bringing lot of prizes for themselves and giving the good name, bringing the good name for the institution and for their parents too. I would like to take the name of Harshit, who had played the sitar today, as a mark of the vision on this special occasion of the Silver Jubilee of the school. He has been declared as the youngest sitarist of the Uttarakhand and is the recipient of Gandha Bhushan Award, which he had received at Art of Living at Bangalore by Ravi Shankar ji, and he has become a unanimous Wherever the functions are taking place in Uttarakhand or outside the Uttarakhand, then he is invited at almost all the places. And you all will surprise. You saw him playing the sitar, but unfortunately, just around 20 days back, he was slipped down and broken his leg. He was operated, and not even the 20 days have passed, but he has managed to come and perform in front of you on the sitar. So I admire the confidence of this child, and I pray to always Almighty to pour and continue His blessings on this young, talented artist, and not only will bring the good name for himself, for his family, for his school, but will be bringing the name for the entire our Uttarakhand and the country. We have Kunal also here among the old students passed out, and just 6 months back he has been appointed as the associate professor in Delhi University. We have Shakshi Dumka, who has recently also appointed as the associate professor in Pantnagar Agriculture University. Academically, everybody knows the standard of this school. We involve the children in all types of the activities, but we don't forget the priority as far as the academic is concerned. Our 20 batches of the class 12th have passed from the school, and in all 1,758 children have passed their class 12th from this school. And I'm very happy, along with the efforts which entirely made by the combined the team of my teaching staff with all these children, and I don't hesitate in saying that all the children, they have been doing very well in one or other field which they have chosen as for their career. Now, today these two sketches which we have presented to our chief guest and the guest of honor, and you all will be surprised that these sketches are made by the children just in one day. So I congratulate these two children also, and I always pray to Almighty to pour His continuous blessings on these two children, and what they have made up their mind to be in the career, they should be able to achieve their target. Lastly, in my 42 years career as a teacher and the principal, because I am holding the principal post for the last 29 years, I don't miss the opportunity to take the name of my two mentors with whom I have worked. They guided me, they gave me the chance, opportunity, and they are none else. My first headmaster of the Lawrence School, Sanar, Mr. S.R. Das, and my next principal from the Birla Vidya Mandir, Mr. S.K. Gupta. I always feel myself very fortunate that I had got the chance to work with these legends, those who are the phenomena as well as far as the education in the country is concerned. So I thank all of you sparing your time and being the part of this Silver Jubilee celebrations of the school. And you all will be watching in this program, more than 450 children are participating in one or other activity. And this is the motto and the aims and objectives of our school. So, once again, I am obliged, sir, Admiral Tandon, accepting our request to be the chief guest of this auspicious occasion. Same way, lovely child, Dr. Salab Agrawal, accepting again the guest of honor and have made his presence available for the ceremony of this silver jubilee. So I wish all my, and I thank all my old students, those who have also made possible to come and had become the part of this celebration. And once again, I thank all the dignitaries, those who are present here, my lovely parents, my sweet children, passed out and presently studying, and I wish all of them to have a good health, happiness, long life, and I pray to Almighty to pour His blessings and bring lot of happiness, lot of success in their life. Thank you very much.